Before you know the pricing of the 2022 Mazda CX-5 lineup, let's take a quick look at the various trim levels it comes in. The 2022 Mazda CX-5 lineup offers 8 trims to choose from, meaning that there's a trim for everyone's needs and lifestyle. The 2022 Mazda CX-5 lineup includes CX-5 2.5S, CX-5 2.5S Select, CX-5 2.5S Preferred, CX-5 2.5S Carbon Edition, CX-5 2.5S Premium, CX-5 2.5S Premium Plus, CX-5 2.5 Turbo and CX-5 2.5 Turbo Signature. The 2022 Mazda CX-5 lineup brings several updates over the predecessor, which help elevate the crossover's design and enhance the driving experience. Some notable upgrades are a newly redesigned front grille design on the 2022 CX-5 Turbo, standard I-Active AWD all-wheel drive system on all trims, and Mazda's new intelligent drive system called Mi Drive.